I like chicken with a little bit of rice. I like steak with a little bit of spice. Scrambled eggs and toast in the morning, but I don't know what I want tonight, so let's Google it, let's Google it. Why would you Google it if you can Google it? Let's Google it, let's Google it. Why would you Google it if you can Google it?
My favorite recipe for the chicken wings on the game day. But you don't have to wait for game day. You can make this recipe anytime you want. And in this episode, I'm going to show you a healthier version of chicken wings. We're not going to deep fry it. It's going to be oven baked and still crispy from the outside and super juicy from the inside. So welcome to Let's Cook It, everyone, and let's make some chicken wings. The chicken wings already chopped and ready to go. And I'm using here some kosher salt. And I'm gonna add baking powder, and make sure it's baking powder, not baking soda. And I'm gonna add some smoked paprika and granulated garlic, and I forgot the black pepper, so black pepper as well. Now we'll give it a quick mix, and we're gonna coat all the chicken wings from this mix we did, so a little bit at a time, and mix it very well. We're gonna make sure every single spot is coated. And of course I'm using the fresh chicken wings here, not the frozen wings. Rub them very well to make sure, and make sure there's no powders left in the bottom of the tray, so everything's on the chicken. This is going to be a super yummy chicken wings and healthy as well, because we're not deep frying. We're gonna start placing them on the rack and leave a little space in between, that way the heat go around all the chicken. I have one more piece, let me put it here. Voila. Now everything's good to go in a preheated oven on a 400 degree. So all depends on the size of the wings you're making. For this one here, I put it for 10 to 13 minutes at first in the 400 degree in the oven, and then I flip them back in for another 20 minutes, and this is the result we have. Can you hear that? Nice and crispy from the outside. Now when it comes to flavor, I leave it up to you. You can choose whatever flavor you like. My favorite is very light barbecue sauce on them. Now let's pick one, and that's how I eat it. So the wings has two bones, twist and comes out, and the other one as well, twist and comes out, and look at this yummy chicken. And as always, the moment of the truth. Oh boy, super crispy from the outside, juicy from the inside. Oven baked wings for your game night or any other night you choose. All yours to enjoy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Take care.